This is your beginner's guide to intermittent fasting. You must have heard of intermittent fasting before, given how popular it has become in recent years. But what is it all about? Is it another diet or quick weight loss trick? Do you want to know what it is? Stick around to know more. If it's not a diet, no, it is not a diet. You heard me right. It is not a diet. If it's an eating pattern, it is focused on when you eat rather than what you eat. It has two periods where you eat, called the eating window, and periods where you don't eat, called the fasting window. 1. For weight loss. When you fast, you give your body time to access the fat burning system. This means that during a prolonged fast, your body reaches into its fat reserves, eating it up. This promotes weight loss. 2. For health reasons. Though many people are now leaning towards the IF lifestyle for weight loss, it has been proven in New England Journal of Medicine to cure conditions such as obesity, cancer, and diabetes. It also slows aging. First on the list is time-restricted eating. Here you can choose how many hours you fast every day. It can be 14-10, 16-8, or 18-6. The second one is OMAD, short for 1 meal a day. Usually involves 21 to 23 hours fast and 1 to 3 hours eating window. The last one on the list is alternate day fasting. Here you eat normally for 5 days and restrict your calories to around 500 to 600 calories for 2 days a week. As I mentioned earlier, many people use IF for weight loss. So how many hours you fast will depend on your reasons and on your needs. But if you are new to this and have never tried IF before, I would suggest you start with the 14-10 plan. Intermittent fasting isn't easy to start and has been proven to be particularly challenging to get through the first. When your hunger reduces and there is no constant need for food, this is an excellent indicator that intermittent fasting is working. Eat only when you are hungry. It is true that if it's an eating pattern with eating and fasting windows, but you shouldn't just eat because you have reached your eating window. Oh, this is the end of this video. If you did like it, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more like this.